Do you guys think in this generation relationship is becoming difficult?
Yeah, I feel like relationships nowadays they're like people are making it overcomplicated. I feel in order for you to love the other person, you have to bring you value. They have like unrealistic expectations from the partner, and like that actually most people actually like lack communication. You see,
That's true.
Situationships, people have that all the time.
Okay.
You're more than friends, but you can't remain friends. You're friends with benefits, but then you can't have that commitment with that person. You can't commit to one person. So yeah.
About expectation, from how I think, not only just in love, even if you're in a career, even if you're in your family also, even if you're in your like studies also, don't expect just there is one saying in Hindu line, okay, karam karo phal ki chinta mat karo by Krishna, okay. So do your work, like whatever will happen, it will gonna happen. You can't change it and you don't even know it. You just do what you love.
Do your best.
Yeah, do your best. At least you will not regret it कि at least मैंने किया नहीं था.